In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut not opening Windows 11 PC. If CapCut won't launch or closes immediately, don't worry, we'll walk through a clean reinstall and a couple of Windows settings that commonly block the app from opening. First, we'll remove the current installation to clear out any corrupted files. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. On the left, select Apps, then click Installed Apps. In the list, find CapCut. Use the search box at the top if you need to. Click the three dots next to CapCut and choose Uninstall, then confirm by selecting OK. This gives us a clean slate. If you have important projects, it's a good idea to back them up beforehand so nothing gets lost during the process. Next, reinstall CapCut. If you originally downloaded it from a web browser, this time open the Microsoft Store, search for CapCut, and click Install. If you originally installed it from the Microsoft Store, go to the official CapCut website, download the installer, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup. Switching the source like this helps replace any corrupted components specific to one installer. After reinstalling, we'll make sure Windows Defender Firewall isn't blocking it. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app through Windows Defender Firewall, then select Change Settings so you can edit the list. Scroll to find CapCut. If it isn't listed, click Allow another app, then browse. If you're not sure where CapCut is installed, right-click the CapCut desktop shortcut, select Open File Location, and copy the file path. Go back to the Browse window, paste that path, and select the CapCut executable, typically named capcut.exe. Add it to the list, ensure both private and public are checked, and click OK. This ensures CapCut can communicate properly and launch without being blocked. If the issue still persists, we'll add a Windows component that some systems are missing. Open the Start menu, search for optional features, and choose View Features. In the search box, type Media Feature Pack. If you see it available, install it. If it's already installed, you can move on. Once that's done, try launching CapCut again. Following these steps usually resolves corrupted installs, firewall blocks, or missing media components that prevent CapCut from opening on Windows 11. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.